Okay guys, so you go down Park Lane in Whitefield, past the Parkfield pub on the left, and now we're going past Sedgley Park Rugby Club, as you can see, and just keep going straight on. And right at the end of the road you'll see a sign that says Phillips Park. There it is. And you go through that entrance. And as you'll see, this road leads to the road that goes right over the motorway. There we go. And there's the motorway on either side. Keep going. It says Phillips Park again. See here, this barrier is usually shut, and you turn right into this road here. There is a car park on the right, but you don't bother with that one, you can't go past it. And on the left is a children's playground, and you carry on through. Anywhere here on the left.